Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Aurore and today I have a question for you. What is desire to you? What does it mean? I was asked the same question a couple of weeks ago and it was really hard for me to answer actually. I thought that it was so easy, and yet when I was asked the same question, I was like, wait a minute. Why is it so hard for me to really answer this question? Why? Because there's fear. And I talked about it on another video with a lovely friend of mine, Lila. She's French too, and we had this amazing conversation about two women having a thought about what desire means to them. Check it out, it's awesome. But we found out that there's fear. There's fear all around desire that prevent us to really get into what we really want. So that's why I want to make this quick video to invite you to take some time and ask yourself first, what is your desire? What are your desires, your true desires connected to your authentic self? And secondly, why do you not follow them? Or why is it so blurry for you? I knew, to take my example, I knew that I didn't dare to really listen to my desires because I would be afraid to lose my partner, the one that I love. I would be afraid to say, okay, you know what, this lifestyle doesn't serve me, so I'd rather just go because, I don't belong here. And see, this is tricky because we are really talking to the true stuff. We're really being vulnerable right now. There's no hiding. It's just us, with us, and we with our, higher self, true potential, saying, hey, okay, what about an honest conversation with myself? What do I really desire for myself? And you have the right. You have the right to ask yourself this question. Not even the right, it's essential. If you want to survive and be actually very happy, you need to ask yourself this question. And yet, I mean that I've been asking this question to many people around me, and every time it was kind of either blurry or not really clear, or the fear of actually getting what you want. So you're like, well, fear of success, fear of not getting what I want. What would my family think? What would whoever will think if I have like kind of crazy desires that I want to do? Well, this is yours. It belongs to you. These desires belong to you and only you. So you better ask yourself this question in a very sacred space where you can just wonder and be silent, meditate. And then when you get the answer, you'll make a parallel and link it to your dreams. What's best for you? What's coming for you? What do you want most for you, for your heart, for your soul? To be fulfilled, to feel one with yourself. Not half, not playing, having a poker face, just you. The real authentic you is linked to your desires, period. That's it. So ask yourself this question. I would love to get some feedbacks. What are your insights? How vulnerable you can be. Mwah. Love and light to you from Paris, and I'll see you at the next video.